Weather Rate seal of approval for most accurate forecast 3 years running.
Well, good Sunday morning, everyone. Thanks for staying with us. What a cold start to our day, and plus, some of us are getting a little bit of snow. Take a look over my shoulder over in Wayne County. Preston, you're getting a little bit of light snow. Over in Bradford and Susquehanna County, you're getting some snow too. So there's a band of snow right here coming out the Great Lakes, and that is going to give us, well, I think we're going to be looking at a chance of a scattered snow shower throughout the day as that cold air keeps rushing over the Great Lakes. Take a look now at Forest City. It is chilly for you folks. Wow, look at that, 12 degrees. You got mostly cloudy skies. Feels like 4 with northwest winds at 13 miles an hour. Bundle up as you're heading off to church. Over in Mifflinburg, a little bit more in the way of sunshine, 24 degrees. Feels like 13, though. Northwest winds at 12 miles an hour, and those winds are going to pick up as we go through the day. Nice shot over there in Williamsport, 22 degrees. Feels more like 5, though, so it doesn't feel as nice as it looks. And our last stop will be Broadheadsville. You folks still 14, -2. Northwest winds at 16 miles an hour. Now, normally for this time of year, you can expect splits of 46 and 31. We had a record high, 69, set back in 1931. That sounds pretty good right now, doesn't it? Record low of 9 degrees, set back in 2000. Sunrise this morning, 7:01. Sunset tonight will be at 4:38. All right, let's go take a look at the players. We have a fetch of cold air coming in out of Canada, coming over the Great Lakes, and it's going to set up, you know, some bands of snow. Some of it will be light, some of it could be a little bit moderate. I think the folks that really have the best chance of seeing it will be up here in the northern tier. And I think as we go through the day, this will shift a little further north, and you could see a little bit in the lower Susquehanna River Valley. But the real deal today is the cold. Take a look at the temperatures. Williamsport, 22. Danville, you're at 20. Bloomsburg, 21. Pull it back a little bit. 17 over at Evoke Airport. 14 right now in Mount Pocono. Berwick, you're at 21 degrees. And the wind chills are not going anywhere today. We're in the single digits, below 0 in some spots. And we'll only be in the single digits today to the low to mid-teens as the further south you go. So it's not going to be fun out there at all. Please be careful. And here are some tips. Don't forget when you're heading out, dress in layers, cover your head and your hands. That's where you lose a lot of heat, is through your head. Make sure you check on your elderly neighbors. Make sure they're warm enough, and make sure your pets outside have plenty of fresh water to drink. That water freezes very quickly in this kind of weather. Make sure everybody's safe. This cold snap isn't going to last all that long. But we could see a couple of snow showers today. Could even see a snowflake tonight, like early evening hours. Then everything clears out. And we're going to have a nice day for Monday, but then as Monday wears on, the clouds start to come in, and we're watching a system down to our south. It's going to make its way towards us. We're just not certain yet of the type of precipitation. That's going to be up in the air, pun intended, and we're going to wait now to see what the exact track is. I told you, Sharon, I was going to say that. And the exact track will tell us exactly what we're going to get and how much we'll get. Stay tuned with us, and we'll keep you updated. But for today, up in the northern tier, looking at cloudy skies with snow showers. Temperatures climbing into the low to mid-20s in the Poconos. You have a chance of a scattered snow shower this afternoon as your highs only climb into the low to mid-20s. In the Lehigh Schuylkill Valley, well, you're just a shade milder with temperatures climbing into the upper 20s. Under partly sunny skies, your wind chills will be in the mid-teens. Susquehanna River Valley, you're going to be looking at temperatures climbing into the upper 20s with scattered snow showers around. And in the Valley City area, it's going to be cold, sun and clouds. It's going to be windy. Wind chills will be in the low teens for you folks. Please be careful heading out there. Tonight, scattered clouds, bitterly cold, but diminishing winds, low of 14 degrees. Look at the next 7 days. A little bit of a break tomorrow, high of 32. Then a coastal storm we'll be watching Tuesday into Wednesday. The exact track is still a little bit uncertain. Thursday, though, it'll all be out. 32 will be our high for partly sunny skies on Turkey Day. Friday and Saturday looking pretty good with temperatures in the low to mid-30s. And don't forget, Eyewitness News has teamed up with Jonal's Lawn and Garden for our Snowmageddon giveaway. But not only are we giving away a snowblower, we're giving away a whole arsenal of stuff, including a leaf blower, weed whacker, chainsaw, and much more. Just be sure, I should say, to like the Eyewitness News Facebook page and click on contest to register. We'll draw the grand prize winner right after Thanksgiving. And if I had my way, you would need that snowblower this year. But I don't always have my way. We'll have to wait and see what Dave Skutnik says.
I guess we'll have to wait, but I'm actually looking forward to a good snowstorm.
Wouldn't that be nice?
It would be fun. And I wouldn't
Except
mind
if we
it
have
this
to
week.
come in.
Well, yes, coming in wouldn't be always fun.
Yeah.
But to stay home, have some hot chocolate, relax.
Yeah. Watch football.
Good movie. I would go for the movie. I'm all about the movies.
Okay, the movies.
Plus it's Sunday, then you got to watch football.
Okay.
We'll allow it for that.
All right.
But all right. Well, speaking of football, stay with us. You're